Pakistan did not inform the consular post of India about the arrest of Jadhav at the time of the alleged arrest, and India received information of his arrest only on 25th March 2016. Despite India's requests, Pakistan has denied consular officers the right to visit Jadhav. They have refused to communicate to the consular officers the charges against Jadhav and the evidence and other material adduced against him in the so-called trial, so as to enable them to arrange for his legal representation. The denial of access to Jadhav has resulted in consular officers of India being unable to arrange for legal representation of Jadhav and to assure themselves also of his safety and his well-being in custody. Communication of 12th May purports to suggest that there are multiple legal avenues available to Jadhav, and presumably the sentence will not be executed during this period. Implicit in this is the acceptance of the reality that in case of a death sentence, the execution of the sentence cannot obviously be allowed during such time that this court is seized of an application for redress of violations of the Vienna Convention. The communication, while suggesting availability of remedies, fails to provide a clear assurance that until this court is in season of this application, the sentence will not be executed. This ambivalence is, Mr. President and esteemed members of the court, without more, a good reason for indication of provisional measures. India refutes these allegations. India's position has been and continues to be that Jadhav was kidnapped from Iran and appears to have been framed based upon a confession extracted from him when he was in military custody. The allegations of Pakistan lack credibility, particularly in the absence of consular access being provided, by which India would have been able to understand the circumstances of Jadhav's presence in Pakistan, secure first-hand information about Jadhav while in military custody, and secure information about the charges against him, the evidence against him, and the order of conviction and sentence. India could also have taken measures to ensure appropriate legal representation for him. India asserts that the breach of the Vienna Convention and the facts of the present case is fatal to the trial of Jadhav.